Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on our asparagus bed here. If you've been here for a while, you will have seen our original asparagus video. If you haven't seen that, I will make sure to link that at the end of this video so that you can watch the start of doing this. What we are going to be doing today for fall maintenance, this has gone through 2 hard frosts, giving it a very massive haircut. We're going to take down all of these fronds. Then we're going to be putting a little bit of compost and manure over the top, and then we will be taking some of the straw from botanical interests and putting it on top to give it a nice thermal insulation layer so that it'll overwinter in the raised bed. And that's the main reason that we are doing it that way, is because we are in a raised bed, so there's a little bit more risk of the roots, of course, freezing. So that straw is just going to insulate them, and that's really what we want, because next year we will be harvesting our asparagus for the first time ever, so we really want them to overwinter this winter. But I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put you on hyperlapse, get this video started, and we will see you back here in a little while, okay? Okay guys, so I just wanted to stop the video here and show you this, because if you are new to gardening or haven't seen asparagus grow, this, I call them little Christmas balls in August, because that's what it looks like when they're on the fronds. But inside these, let me try and get this open here in a way that you can see. All right, so you can, that is where the asparagus develops its corms from. So if you are a super duper patient person, you could ask a gardener if you could have the little seed pods that are coming off of their asparagus. They will probably be more than willing to give them to you. So let me put you back on hyperlapse. We'll finish this baby out. Okay, so that's literally all there is to it. Now, I did go ahead and I did water down the straw again, of course, because we've got wind. So we've just did that enough to hold down the straw until it can get a little bit of that early morning moisture on top of it. But this bed is officially put together and put to bed, I guess I should say, for the fall. So that is all I've got for you guys today. If you have any questions about asparagus, growing asparagus, go on ahead and drop me a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have about that. And also, don't forget that we do have a guide. It's a 3-day to your dream garden guide. So if you are new to gardening and you want something to give you a jump start into gardening without any of the muss and fuss, and that just simplifies it down and makes it accessible and attainable for you where you are in the space that you're growing, go on ahead and check out the link down below. I'll make sure and drop that below. And I will be putting at the end of this video all of the content that I can as far as asparagus growing is concerned, in case you want to see any more about growing your own asparagus. So guys, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. We'll see you on the next video.